Hello. Today, we're learning the phrasal verb answer for somebody. It means to be responsible for someone or to explain their actions. For example, a manager answers for their team. They take responsibility for the team's work. You can also answer for someone if they make a mistake. It means you may face consequences instead of them. Answer for somebody is inseparable. You say answer for the person, not answer the person before. For example, I will answer for him, not I will answer him for. This phrase is common in work, school, or family situations. You might hear he has to answer for his decisions. It shows he must explain or take responsibility. Remember, it's often used in serious contexts. Try to use it when talking about responsibility. Now let's see some examples. The teacher answered for the student's behavior. The CEO answered for the company's mistakes. Practice using it in sentences. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. See you next time.